Hey, Alaska Adventure Seekers! Welcome to Alaska, the Last Frontier. Today, we're going to be diving into one of the most awe-inspiring destinations you might not have even heard of, Wrangell St-Elias National Park. You've got the highest concentration of mountains and glaciers anywhere, and McCarthy's in the dead center of it. Let me show you this hidden gem and why Wrangell St-Elias might be a place for you to consider. There's only 3 national parks in Alaska that you can drive to: Denali, of course, Kenai Fjords, and Wrangell St-Elias National Park. Denali is known for its stunning mountain that has prominence. Kenai Fjords is famous for its glaciers. But what about Wrangell St-Elias? Well, it combines the best of both worlds: mountains, glaciers, and fewer crowds. Imagine exploring 13.2 million acres of pristine wilderness with just a fraction of the visitors that you see in other parks. If you're a thrill seeker or prefer a laid-back experience, Wrangell St-Elias has it all. Flight seeing? Soar over mountains and glaciers and mountain ranges for breathtaking views. In fact, one of the glaciers, the Bagley Ice Field, it's bigger than the state of Rhode Island. Hiking? From easy trails to challenging backcountry routes, there's something for every adventurer here in Wrangell St-Elias. Historic Kenai and McCarthy? Wow, explore the fascinating history of this mining town and a Sin City, McCarthy, that made it all fun. It still does today. Rafting and mountaineering for adventure junkies, well, river rafting and pack rafting are a thing to do in this park. McCarthy Lodge is perfectly situated for exploring the park. We're close to all the activities. You're going to want to experience the local cuisine, from the Golden Saloon to the Salmon and Bear. Getting here is part of the adventure. Driving along the scenic McCarthy Road or take a flight into the area. Be sure to pack layers. Alaska weather can be unpredictable. And don't forget your camera, of course, for those once-in-a-lifetime shots. Wrangell St-Elias is more than a destination. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of Alaska's raw beauty. Start planning your trip today.